Hello, my name is Jennifer Miller, and this is my story about becoming a Beachbody coach. Earlier this year, Angie contacted me about doing a review of the 21 Day Fix on my blog, and I have to admit I was a little apprehensive about trying anything Beachbody. My experience, with the exception of Angie, with some Beachbody coaches had been that they were pushy, and I don't really respond to that type of salesmanship. So I knew she wasn't pushy in the interactions that we had, but I was still a little nervous. And I had the convenient excuse of the fact that I was training for a half marathon and I didn't want to take on another training plan or something else to try during my half training. So I told her maybe after that was over I might be interested. So she followed up with me shortly after my half marathon and just asked if I'd be interested in it. And honestly, I was really at a place where I was ready to try something different. I've been working on weight loss and getting healthy for the past 2 years. And I started out at over 330 pounds, and I've lost 100 and regained about 20 of the 100 that I lost. And I was really just stuck. I had plateaued and I was really burnt out with counting calories, measuring and weighing everything. And the simplicity of the 21 Day Fix and the containers really appealed to me, and I thought that might be a fresh way for me to look at food and nutrition and try something different to kind of shake it up and, maybe shock my body or just get a break from the way that I had been doing things. And with that, I did the challenge pack, so I got Shakeology, and I really didn't have any high expectations for it. My husband and I had bought several different kinds of quality protein shakes from GNC over the years, and I just expected it to be something along the same lines. And definitely through trying it for that 21 days, I have a completely different view on Shakeology. Just a little backstory, prior to doing the 21 Day Fix and trying Shakeology, I had been seeing my endocrinologist for my annual exam, and I was convinced something was wrong with my thyroid. I'm not losing weight, I'm tired all the time, to the point that my husband was kind of concerned because I would fall asleep sitting up in the living room, just dozing off, nodding off. And I'm getting enough sleep at night, but I was just extremely tired all the time. Well, all the blood work came back and I was completely healthy. There wasn't anything low or deficient anywhere, and she really didn't have any suggestions. She told me I could take a B12 supplement, but everything was fine. So I started the 21 Day Fix and started drinking Shakeology, and within that 21 days, all of the symptoms that I had that I was complaining to her about were improved. And I know that that's a combination of the regular exercise, proper nutrition, and of course Shakeology. I can't say enough good things about it. So in addition to losing 6 pounds and 9 inches in 21 days, I was feeling phenomenal. All these things that were really dragging me down and making me a little depressed were all gone. I was feeling so much better about myself. So my best friend, as I'm waxing poetic to her about how awesome this program is, how great I feel, and she's, talking about how she can tell a complete difference in how my body looks, she's like, you should definitely see what it takes to become a coach. She's like, you have great results, you're really passionate about this, I think you would be good at it, you should check it out. So I reluctantly contacted Angie at my friend's prodding, because she was really adamant that she thought I would be really great at this and that I could benefit my family by earning a little extra income, pretty much doing what I'm already doing. And I contacted Angie, and she was extremely helpful and positive and gave me all this information. And I kind of think I took her a little by surprise, because I very quickly wanted to sign up just based on the information she gave me. I pretty much already knew going in that unless she told me that I was going to have to fork over some crazy amount of money to buy a product or do something, that I wasn't going to say no unless there was something that I wasn't aware of. And everything she said was pretty simple and straightforward. Because I had the challenge pack, I was able to sign up to be a coach for free and just pay my monthly fees. and I kind of didn't see there being a downside to at least trying. And I signed up with her. She told me she would co-host my first challenge group with me to help me get my feet wet. And it was seriously, this last group that we just had, or my first group, was a really great learning experience for me. And I was able to, in that first month, I covered my month supply of Shakeology and my fees, and was able to have a little bit extra to contribute to my family. And that's a really huge thing for us. I work full time. My husband recently finished his doctorate and has the desire to be a college professor. But positions are really few and far between in his field of study right now. There were only 6 in the nation this last school year, or this upcoming school year. And he didn't get any of those 6 positions. So he has to piece together part-time work to try to equal a full-time job. And things are tough. We have a 3-year-old daughter, and neither one of us want to be away from her any more than we have to be. And I'm already working on myself, and I already blog. So that's me sharing my story, trying to help others along the way too. And then I can add in being a Beachbody coach as an extra way to have a really great product, a really great program that I'm helping to promote, and I'm helping myself and helping others and earning a little extra income for myself. So there really isn't a downside to it, in my opinion. I think that honestly, the best part is helping people. Sure, having a little extra money is great, but the satisfaction I get from putting myself out there and sharing my story and sharing that if I can do it, you can do it. And I'm not perfect, and I plateau and I stall out, but I'm still trying. I'm not giving up. That's something that reaches people. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be one of these fitness models to do this. You just have to be someone that has a desire to work on yourself and improve yourself. And while doing that, you want to help other people do the same. You want them to feel better about themselves. You want them to feel empowered and encouraged and supported. And as long as you have a desire to do that, and you have a desire to improve yourself, that's all you need to be a successful coach. I know I'm just getting started, but I feel so excited about the potential that I have for myself and helping others and helping my family. So if you're on the fence about coaching, there is literally no downside to trying. Think about it just like you think about your fitness journey. If you never took the first step out the door, you never tried, where would you be? You'd be in the same place, sitting on the couch, feeling bad about yourself. It's the same thing as this. You have to at least try. If you try, then you have no idea what you can possibly accomplish. And I think we all have it in us to do great things with our health, with fitness, with helping other people, and with being a successful Beachbody coach. So I encourage you, if you're at all interested or thinking about it, just take the plunge. I have not regretted a moment of it, and if anything, I'm way more enthusiastic today than I even was on day one, just because I already see the potential that this has for improving myself, improving others' lives, and helping my family. Thanks, guys. Bye.